you say. I'll skin you alive. Fucking kill you. My grandma told me I look like Tom Hanks. I'm not even shitting you.
Is your grandma like blind?
Oh, she's demented.
That explains it. Disagree, Edwin. Edwin,
Yep.
didn't I see you at breakfast today?
Yeah, dude, I saw you there. What'd you have?
Food.
Listen, asshole, that's not what I meant.
Look at his headphones.
Do you see the little sharks? Look.
What?
You guys ready?
Mm-hmm.
Yeah.
That was just the baby stuff.
How about this thing?
Holy shit.
I wasn't kidding about the Warhammer. This thing's pretty big.
Yeah, so are you.
Thank you. Okay, so you want to know what the Warhammer's been known to do?
No.
This is
Break
what
down
happens.
doors.
This is what happens when you're drunk with a Warhammer. Okay.
Oh, God.
Hold on. Where's the? Can you see those holes in the wall?
Yeah.
You see the holes? The
Yeah.
holes up there. There you go. I don't bullshit my stories. I'm dead serious.
No, I don't. I believe you.
Edwin, you want to
How's that?
Is that a
Wear that as a
UFO?
hat and look like a
Is that a
freaking
UFO?
It's a shield, you dumb shit.
Oh, okay.
Yeah, you shield bash.
You should bring that to school.
I'd probably get arrested. I don't know.
Edwin, why don't you explain to us the pictures behind you, each and every one of them?
Oh man, I got all these animal posters I put up when I was like 10. They're still there.
Wait, what's that one on the left? It's like a
that's
dog?
a tarantula.
No, no.
Tarantula on the left.
No, the other way then. Oh yeah, there's a tarantula. That like
that
pig?
one.
No, the other one.
Where?
The green
Not
one.
the
This one?
not the jaguar.
This is
Not
a
that. Not that. That one.
Labrador.
Yeah.
Labrador
Oh.
Retriever. And behind me, this is the red-fronted lemur.
Yo, that's sick.
I'm so glad you guys can see me now. Do you guys have cameras? Okay. I don't need it.
Yeah, I do. It's in the attic though. I'll get it probably like later.
Oh wait, no, I have some more. Hold on a sec.
I want to make his big. Connor, get out of here.
Alright, well, make it big.
That was a gladius for when I'm feeling Roman.
There we go.
For when I'm
and then-
feeling Roman.
This is for when I'm feeling ghetto.
Yo, what the fuck?
I actually picked this up on the internet, like fully operational.
Is that real?
Yeah, actually, don't tell
It's an airsoft gun, Chris.
anyone. Yeah, Chris, you fucking idiot. God, I'm handsome.
Ah, what a joke. Oh man.
My grandma told me I look like Tom Hanks. I'm not even shitting you.
Is your grandma like blind?
Oh, she's demented.
That explains it. Oh man.
This gets a lot of usage too.
So do your walls.
Yeah,
Your
dude,
curtains.
Holy shit. Have I showed you the curtains yet? Oh
No.
dear. Oh dear. Nah, don't worry. Now,
Nah, don't worry.
you see those holes? That hole there?
Oh, shit.
That wasn't from the Warhammer. That was from when I used to play Call of Duty and I'd get pissed. So it's convenient having a ceiling right there. I could just go up and punch it, you know? You see that right there? That's what we call this guns of glory. Chris, whenever I hear your name, I'm starting to mentally think of you as this obese black man because of this profile picture. It really is starting to become a nuisance.
Yeah, so is your life.
What the fuck did you say? I'll skin you alive. Fucking kill you. If we're just gonna do this again, I'm just joking. Don't worry. Okay, 20 questions. What is this?
Oh, it's a shake battery flashlight.
What are you made out of? How do you know? How do you know these things?
Yo.
The lights?
It's not even on, Edwin.
Is it? Fuck.
Oh.
Oh.
Yeah. That's... God damn, I'm winded now. Holy shit. I got nothing left to show you guys.
All right, bye.
Alright, bye. How do you say new rust? Like, iron doesn't rust when it's new. Trying to make joke.
Not quite sure I follow. Okay.
I missed you, Chris. I didn't miss you, Connor. You're a piece of shit.
You.
Oh.
My hands look like they're like not part of my body when I do this. They look too far in front of me. It's like peripheral vision. What I don't know. What the fuck I'm
Rick roll vision.
saying. Peripheral, you dumb sack of potatoes.
Peripheral.
How about this? This is called Thug Life.
That's
I
a
got
penny.
this from dealing-
That's
yeah.
a penny.
I got it from dealing cocaine.
Really?
I've never done drugs, actually. I've never even seen cocaine in real life.
Why?
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 Why? What?
Hi,
I
this
didn't
is.
realize how handsome I was until I saw myself in this microphone.
You're not
Like,
looking
Connor-
at. You're not seeing
No,
yourself
like-
in a. Shut up. You're not seeing yourself in a microphone. It's a camera and a screen.
How do you know? How do you know that I can't see with my ears? Oh, I got you there, didn't I, you stupid asshole?
Hi, this is episode 1 of Talks with Edwin. This is our
Can I
friend
have-
Edwin here.
I'd like a TED Talk.
So today,
Why
Edu-
is it that hey, shut up. Why is it that everybody that goes on TED Talk is a colossal douchebag? Every single one of them. They're either hipsters or feminists.
so this
They
is
don't know
Edwin
one.
here with his talk about TED Talks.
I'm
Edwin,
not gonna
please
talk
start.
about TED Talks. I'm
Please
not gonna
start.
talk about
Your
Shut the
20
fuck up.
your 20
Shut
minute
up.
present
Shut up.
your 20-minute presentation
You
begins
ever
now.
shut up. I don't have 20 minutes. I have
Go.
however long I need to get my point across. And anyways, I'm not going to talk about TED Talks. That was just a little clip there. I'm not going to continue talking
If
about
you start over, the microphone wasn't working. They couldn't hear you in the audience.
that. Shut up. Gotta clean some saliva off my computer.
Alright, it's working now. Go ahead.
Dude, I don't work in your beck and call unless you decide to start paying.
How much?
$5 an hour?
He's like, I
was thinking something you assholes aren't familiar with. Look at that drooling retard in the top left hand corner. Look at him. You need a safety helmet when you go out.
Joke's on you, I'm on the bottom right corner.
Well,
Joke's on you, you're side by side.
Oh shit, I don't want to hear that. I don't want to be anywhere near this clown.
Alright, goodbye.
I might get Ebola.
I'll help you.
Oh, it took me a while to figure out what that was.
You thought it was you? Episode 2.
That was a short episode.
Everyone makes primal noises.
Talks with the crew.
Talks with the crew. I'm not in a crew with you. I would never be in a crew with you. I would never be accepted to a job interview if I was in your crew.
Exactly.
I hate it when you agree with me.
Okay, you're stupid. Say something, Edwin.
Okay, this is
I
my
disagree.
Christmas-
I disagree. I disagree, Edwin.
That was my Chris imitation.
See, hearing the noises is bad enough, but now actually be able to see like what goes through to make that noise, it's interesting.
What goes through this process, really? It all starts in the lower levels of the almost said industrial tract. I deserve to be killed for that one. I'm trying to say intestinal tract.
You're not allowed to say that on TED Talks. Please review.
Listen, I don't wait. Say what? I forget.
What?
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 What aren't I allowed to say in TED Talks? I'm
Yeah.
not into TED.
Yeah.
What?
Yes.
Yes, what? That's not what I asked. It
Yes,
wasn't a
Edwin. I know.
It wasn't
Okay.
a yes or no question.
Okay. Look at him.
Look at him. Am I some primate you're studying?
Oh, you can
Hold
hear
on
us?
to That.
You can hear us this whole time?
Yes, I can hear you. You've been talking to me. You know I
Oh.
can hear you.
Oh, I thought you were just talking to yourself.
Don't say that.
Say what?
Ah, ah, ah.
Oh man, Big E.
Big E.
All right, Eddie, what do you want to play?
None of your shitty games.
You know, guys, let's play a medieval warfare.
2.
Not even what it's called.
Total Medieval War 3.
It isn't that hard, guys.
You want to play Gmod?
No, because you can't get a server together.
Yeah,
We-
Chris, you are
We had one.
technologically.
Yeah, we did, but we
literate.
couldn't open any doors in it. And you
That's
can't
not
pick
the
up
same as
objects.
Having listen. That's like saying that.
That's like saying that. I
Oh.
don't know.
Oh, hold on a second. I got something else to show you. This is my apple juice collection.
I think that's apple juice.
Wait,
What?
it's not legit.
I think so.
Not sure. I'll let your imagination sort it out.
Wait, Connor.
It's of Edwin.
This fucking thing has cobwebs in it.
Cool. What the?
That might be the price tag, actually. Shit. Jesus drove a motor home. Jesus drove a motor home. And he comes to your town. Would you try to talk to him? Would